hose that goes airflow, like look like it goes to the air intake. Comes all the way through here. There. And it gotta go to come through the intake. The intakes are right there. So pull it. It's on like a little clip. Already got it off. Let me see if it's just on. We're gonna go from there. Oh yeah, it is an air filter. It goes to the I forgot what you call it, but it's like an air control thing. So go ahead, put some Gumout in here. I got this Gumout on Amazon. Gumout is more expensive now at Walmart. It's like $13 for one can. It used to be like $4 or $5. Now it's $15. I got this can for $8 on Amazon. Clip is back on. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Go ahead, close the hood. It's doing this thing. 95, 388 miles. We're gonna track it there. See, it's already doing that purring stuff, so that means it's doing a good. Already doing it before I even cut the car off. Perfect. So that's pretty much it. Gonna get on the freeway and then just gonna press the engine as hard as you can for a couple runs, and then that's pretty much it. And what it's doing, that white smoke is just All that white smoke is just the dirt from the engine, the carbon buildup. That's all it is. So it has a decent amount of carbon buildup. So you want to do this every really 60, 50,000 miles, or you can do it every year or so, how you want to do it. But I believe I do it every year, if not every 2 years. I never